Today we are in Gordon Row to see this fantastic 3-bedroom end of terrace property. We are in the Victorian era. We are in the town centre. It's a fantastic property. A couple of the key features we have: we set over 3 floors with a bedroom upstairs having an ensuite. You have a beautiful bathroom. The whole place has been refurbished, by the way, but beautiful bathroom with a clawfoot bath. An extra shower unit. You've got a toilet downstairs, which is quite unusual of a property of this era, but massively practical. It is levels above. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.